दोस्तों ये है क्लास 6 एनसीईआरटी का पहला चैप्टर ज्योग्राफी का द अर्थ एंड द सोलर सिस्टम। इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस दोस्तों सबको पता है कि एनसीईआरटी की इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है। तो दोस्तों हम स्टार्ट करते हैं पहली अपनी क्लास से। हाउ वंडरफुल इट इज़ टू वॉच द स्काई आफ्टर सनसेट। वन वुड फर्स्ट नोटिस वन और टू ब्राइट डॉट्स साइडिंग इन द स्काई. Soon you would see the number increasing. You cannot count them anymore. The whole sky is filled with the tiny shining objects. Some are bright, other dims. It seems as if the sky is studded. अब दोस्तों यहाँ पे दिक्कत आ गई एक कि studded का मतलब क्या है हमें नहीं पता, तो हम उसको चेक करते हैं। studded का मतलब क्या होता है, look up. studded का मतलब है decorated, augmented with studs, dotted, किसी वस्तु से भरपूर। अब इसका मतलब हम सबको समझ में आ गया हो दोस्तों। इसका बेसिक मतलब ये है कि फॉर एग्जांपल ये है, इसमें डॉट 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 कई सारे, जैसे आपने वो सुना होगा स्टडेड विद बीन्स with diamonds. They all appear to be twinkling, but if you look at them carefully, you will notice that some of them do not twinkle as others do. They simply glow without any flicker, as is a moon sign. Along with these bright objects, you may also see the moon on the most of the days. It may, however, appears at a different time in a different shape at a different position. You can see the full moon only once in about a month time. It is a full moon night or a purnima. A fourth night later, you cannot see at all. It is new moon night or Amavasya. On this day, you can watch the night sky best provided it is a clear night. क्लियर नाइट से दोस्तों क्या मतलब है, यहाँ पे पोल्यूशन वगैरह से जो डस्ट स्काई में होती है वो। डू यू वंडर वाई कांट बी सी द फुल मून एंड ऑल दिस ब्राइट टिनी ऑब्जेक्ट ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम? It is because the bright light of the sun does not allow us to see all bright objects to the night sky. The sun, the moon, and those objects shining in the night are called celestial bodies. दोस्तों इनका नाम celestial bodies है, ये important है। The celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light which they emit in large amount. These celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is a star. Countless twinkling stars in the night, they are similar to sun, but we do not feel their heat or light because they are so tiny, because they are very far from us. But does not mean they are very tiny in reality. They look so tiny, but they are very big. Some are bigger than the sun, some are very bigger than the earth. So, but they look very small because they are very far. For example, this is you and this is the sun. So, the distance is very far away. So, many lights here. You must have noticed that all objects look smaller when seen from the distance. How small an aeroplane looks when this flying at a great height. While watching the night, you may notice various patterns formed different by a group of stars. These are called constellation. For example, these are this. Ursa Major or Big Bear is one of such constellation. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is the Saptarishi, seven star Rishi sages. It is a group of stars. This is we can see here. It is a seven star that forms a part of Ursa Major constellation. Ask someone elder in your family or neighborhood to show you more star, the planet, and the constellation in the sky. In the ancient time, people used to determine the direction during the night with the help of these stars. पुराने समय में लोग डायरेक्शंस का पता लगाते थे with the stars, and the north star indicate the north direction. This is the north star and also known as the pole star. It always remained in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of Saptarshi. Look at the figure 11.1. अगर दोस्तों ये इस तरीके के तारे आपको दिखते हैं तो ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ये सप्तऋषि है, और यहाँ पे जो दो सितारे लाइन हैं अलाइंड हैं, उन्हीं की लाइन में ये नॉर्थ स्टार अलाइंड होगा. It is always remain the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of pole star with the help of Saptarishi. You will notice that if an imaginary line is drawn joining the pointer star, it's extended further to the pole star. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are little bit heat stars. Such bodies are called planet. अब planet की definition यहाँ पे दोस्तों आ गई. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. इनके पास खुद की heat और light नहीं होती. They are lit by the light of the stars. मतलब वो तारों की रोशनी से चमकते हैं. These bodies are called planet. जैसे कि Earth. The planet comes from the Greek word planetai, which means wonders. The Earth on which we live is a planet. It gets all heat from the sun, which is our nearest star. सबसे नज़दीकी जो स्टार हमारा है वो है सन. Which is the nearest star, and if we look Earth from the great distance, say the moon, it will appear to be shining just as the moon. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. अब सैटेलाइट दोस्तों, सैटेलाइट से हमें मशीन की याद आती है, लेकिन सैटेलाइट नेचुरल भी होती है, आर्टिफिशियल भी होती है. इट इज़ द कंपेनियन ऑफ अर्थ दैट मूव्स अराउंड इट. लाइक अवर अर्थ, देयर आर 7 other planets that get heat and light from the sun. Some of them have their moon too. अब दोस्तों हम बात करते हैं द सोलर सिस्टम के बारे में. द सन, 8 planets, satellite and other some celestial bodies known as asteroid and meteoroids. So this we can see, this is the sun, this is the first planet near the sun, Mercury. This is Venus, this is the Earth, this is Mars, this is the Jupiter, this is the asteroid belt, मतलब कंकड़ों पत्थरों की, Saturn and Uranus. From solar system we often call it a solar family with the sun at its heat. The sun. The sun is in this center of solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system, but that tremendous heat is not felt so, because despite being our nearest star, it is far away from us. The sun is about 115 million kilometers away from the Earth. Planet. There are 8 planets in our solar system in order of the distance from the sun. They are Mercury, सबसे पहले Mercury आता है, फिर उसके बाद Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Easy way to remember the planet. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. अब दोस्तों यहाँ पे एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ हम देख लेते हैं. व्हाट इज़ जियोजी, लॉजी, मेट्री एंड ऑइड्स. अगर हम लॉजी की बात करें, स्टडी ऑफ द अर्थ, मेट्री की बात करें, मेजरमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ, एंड ऑइड की बात करें, रिजेंबलिंग द शेप फ्रॉम द अर्थ. All the 8 planets of solar systems move around the sun in a fixed path. These paths are elongated. They are called orbits. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. It takes only about 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Venus is considered as an Earth twin. Earth twin Venus को बोला जाता है because of shape and size very similar to the Earth. And recently, 206, Pluto was also considered to be a planet. However, in a meeting of International Astronomical Union. A decision was taken that a Pluto, like other celestial object, may past may be called dwarf planet. दोस्तों हम बात करते हैं जिस ग्रह में लोग रहते हैं, हम लोग रहते हैं, the Earth. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun in the size. It is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened, मतलब चपटा है, at the poles. This is why its shape is described as geoid. जब इस तरीके से कुछ अर्थ है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा चपटा है. Geoid means earth-like shaped. Condition favorable है support life करने के लिए. Probably one found on only on Earth. The Earth is neither too hot, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी नहीं है. It has water, air, which is very essential for survival. The air has a life-supporting gases like oxygen. Because of these reasons, the Earth is a unique planet in our solar system. From outer space, the Earth appears blue because its two-thirds space is covered with water. Therefore, it is called blue planet. Our Earth, अब बात करते हैं दोस्तों मून के बारे में. Our Earth has only one satellite. This is the moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of Earth. इसका मतलब है दोस्तों, अगर अर्थ इतनी सी है तो इसका डायमीटर मून का है वो इतना सा कुछ होगा. It appears so big because it is nearest to our planet than other celestial bodies. It is around 3,84,400 किलोमीटर, मतलब 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. Now you can compare the distance of Earth from the Sun, that from the Moon. The Moon moves around the Sun, Earth in 27 days. It exactly takes the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth. The Moon does not have condition favorable for the life. It has mountains, plains, and depression on its surface. These casts on the moon surface look at the full moon and observe these shadows. अब दोस्तों एस्ट्रॉइड की हमने बात की. एस्ट्रॉइड इस तरीके कुछ दिखता है. Apart from these stars, planet and satellite, there are numerous tiny bodies which is also moves around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits Mars and Jupiter. Scientists are of the view that the asteroids are part of a planet which exploded many years back. Scientists का दोस्तों कहना है कि जो asteroids are the part of the planet which exploded many years ago. मतलब कि जो planets काफ़ी पहले टूट चुके थे उनका ये part है. दोस्तों हम समझते हैं meteoroids के बारे में. Small pieces of rocks which moves around the sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tends to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction of air which they get heated and burn, it causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteoroid, without being completely burned, falls on the earth and creates a hollow. Do you see a white? Do you see a whitish board band like white glowing path across the sky, clear near night? The cluster of millions of stars that band is Milky Way. अब दोस्तों ये तो यहाँ से बहुत कम ही देखने को मिलता है because of the pollution, but you can see this in the YouTube or this photo. In ancient India, it was imagined to be river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, river named Akashganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and cloud of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that makes the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big this universe. Scientists are still trying to find more and more about it. We are not certain about the size, but we know that all of us where I belong to this universe. तो दोस्तों ये था हमारा पहला चैप्टर. और अगर क्वेश्चन इसके सॉल्व करने हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें, उसको हम दूसरे चैप्टर में दूसरे वीडियो में सॉल्व करेंगे.